I want to show you something that happens to almost every single student that asks me for help for the Duolingo English test. Something that probably happened to you when you took my diagnostic just a couple of minutes ago. So go ahead and watch this. What is different about the bottom pictures and the top pictures? Isabella? What is different about the bottom pictures and the top pictures?
The top pictures, there are more trees.
Okay, but what kinds of trees are these?
They're coconut trees.
So, can we say my island has coconut trees?
As more coconut trees.
Well, we can say more, but for you to help me know that your island is this one, we can start here. Because now I know it is not this one and not this one, right? Okay,
Yes.
now I know it's not the top ones, at the bottom ones. Now we need to figure out how to help me know it is number one, not number two. Pick one thing that's different about number one and number two and circle it.
Because.
Don't tell me yet, just circle it. Circle one thing that's different. Okay, now tell me in English, what's different?
The picture one has a few clouds, but the picture two with the sky is all of the clouds.
This is one of my students. She saw the picture, she froze, and she didn't know what to say. 70 seconds of silence. And here's the thing, she knew the grammar, she knew the vocabulary, but when it came time to use it, she just couldn't speak. Here's what everyone gets wrong about learning a second language. You don't need more vocabulary, you don't need more grammar. You need a structure, and you need a system to help you know what to say. You need the system to help you know what to say first, next, and how to finish it without talking on and on. So, here's what I taught her. Same students, same picture. This is just 10 minutes later.
My girl is picking a book. It's on the left of
You can't say left or right.
Huh? What?
These words are forbidden. You have to find a different way to help me now.
Okay. My woman is finger.
Oh, that's a good one.
In my picture, the flower beside the trunk is red and white.
Is it perfect? No, not really, but she didn't stop. Now, let me ask you, when you did this diagnostic, did you freeze? What did you do when you saw these island pictures? Did your mind go blank when you needed to talk? Did you have the words, but you can't make them come out? Well, I got good news for you. You don't have to freeze again. The technique that I taught this student is only $19. The link is in the description. But if you're going to click it, stop and check your email first. That way you can see your results, see what you need to work on, then click the button below and fix it today.